Welcome to JP House. Designed by Bolig Architecture, the house sits in Jacks Point, Queenstown. The building follows a U-shaped plan to shield outdoor areas from southern winds and frame internal courtyards. Large sliding glass doors connect indoor and outdoor zones, while a screened facade on the street side ensures privacy without blocking light. Inside, a split level separates the kitchen and dining area from the lounge, subtly defining function without closing space. Material choices include natural timber, concrete, and black steel. Timber ceilings run throughout, contributing to visual warmth and acoustic softness. The house integrates passive and active sustainable systems, thermally broken glazing, airtight construction, solar panels, and air-to-water heat pumps, all aimed at improving energy efficiency.